Hey everybody, it's SPower21, and so, it's Mr. Army Guy 21 too. So, turn it back. Turn it back. We're gonna mix Diet Pepsi with 7-Up and then drink it.
What about the Oh, you're gonna soda. Yeah, you get less Diet Pepsi. Come on.
Oh, I hate Diet Pepsi.
Okay, fine. You do need less 7-Up. I guess it's gonna be so good. Now give me just a. That's good. Yeah, that's about the same.
Measure. Mine's a little more, but I
That's
like.
okay.
Okay, let's. Gonna
Yeah, you go first. This is gonna be awesome.
Awesome.
Oh, you want more? You're not drinking it.
I am. I'm gonna finish this whole cup, right?
Okay. Okay, come on, film me. I want to get filmed.
I think I need more Diet Coke.
It's Pepsi, not Coke.
What?
Ready? Film me. This is good. You guys should try this. I need 7-Up. Tastes like Diet Pepsi. Okay, that's good. You need milk.
Yeah, more Diet Pepsi.
That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
So now this. I gotta try mine and put more Diet Pepsi in.
This is good.
Ready?
Get serious. Drink your whole cup. Let's have a challenge. Wait, stop drinking. Try to get up to me, okay? And then we'll have a challenge. You can drink it down.
It's kinda cold.
You're very cold.
Stop drinking for a challenge. This is kind of good. You guys should try this.
Yeah, you should. It's awesome.